Um, Happy about one brother, but sad about the other.
And I think I looked and I was same age as you. I looked and felt exactly the same way. That you just kind of. Have you? I've just shown you some pictures of your brother Vishvash meeting the Home Minister in India. How does it feel seeing him looking like he's lying in bed but seems okay?
Yeah, obviously it feels great seeing him doing well. Fine, I guess. He's just more worried about the other brother. That's all.
Tell me a little bit about your brothers.
I could just go on and on with this all day. There's no words to describe them, to be honest.
They're quite a bit older than you, I think, aren't they?
Hmm.
What are they like as brothers?
I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say about them. I have no words.
How are your parents?
Parents are pretty much the same since they've heard the news.
How are you this morning? I think or earlier today when you first heard what happened.
Yeah, we were all in shock as soon as we heard what happened. Just utter shock, that's all. Speechless.
What has Vishvash told you about what happened to him so far?
Honestly, he himself has no idea like how he survived, how he got out of the plane. Well, when he called us, he was just more worried about my other brother. Like, just find Audrey, find Audrey. That's all he cares about at the moment.
That's his concern. That's all he wants, is to find
But
your
he
brother.
doesn't care about himself.